This spaghetti and rosatella sauce from Dollar Tree Dinners has a lot more nutrition than you realize. I tracked down all of the nutrition facts for all of the ingredients and crunched even more numbers. So I'm happy to share how I calculated that there's 24 grams of protein and 6 grams of fiber per person from this meal. But now we can also talk about vitamins and minerals and the big question, whether or not this dinner contributes more nutrients than calories to the overall diet. Spoiler, it does, and I have the math to prove it. So the calculation is pretty straightforward. Take the amount of each nutrient on the nutrition facts label, adjust for how much of that ingredient is in the whole dish, total all of that up, and then divide by 4 portions. Let's quickly go through the math for protein. I should mention that this recipe comes from Dollar Tree Dinner's most recent $20 meal plan, where the goal is 4 dinners for a family of 4 for under $20 using only ingredients that can be found at Dollar Tree. Sadly, a real-life scenario for too many families. And you can get a free printable of the recipes and shopping lists from Dollar Tree Dinners, so I direct you to her for the full recipe. So for protein, we get 1.5 grams from the 2 tablespoons of enriched all-purpose flour. That's half of a serving on the nutrition facts label. We get 12 grams from the 1.5 cups of vitamin D enriched whole milk. That's 1.5 servings from the nutrition facts label. The Parmesan was a measure with your heart ingredient. So I assumed only 3 tablespoons for the entire dish, which gives us another 9 grams of protein. The full can of garlic and herb pasta sauce gives us 5 grams of protein. And the box of enriched spaghetti pasta noodles gives us 70 grams of protein. That's 7 grams per serving on the box multiplied by the 10 servings in the box. It's worth noting here that the servings on a nutrition facts label are a technical definition based on the food group. And that's often different from portion size, which is how much of that food you're likely to eat. So for the entire dish, that adds up to 97.5 grams of protein. Divide that by 4 portions and you get 24.4 grams of protein per person. Per person, you also get 6.4 grams of fiber, 102% of the daily value of vitamin B1 per person, 39% of the daily value of vitamin B2, 51% of the daily value of vitamin B3, 128% of the daily value of vitamin B9, 12% daily value for calcium, 33% daily value for iron, and 16% daily value for potassium. A lot of people look at this pasta dish and assume it's empty calories. It's not! I calculated the Nutrivore Score for this recipe, which is a measurement of nutrient density scientifically defined as nutrients per calorie. And the Nutrivore Score for this spaghetti is 180. To put that into perspective, any food with a Nutrivore Score over about 150 is contributing more nutrients than calories to the overall diet. A food like blueberries has a Nutrivore Score of 396. Most varieties of apples have a Nutrivore Score around 140. So a Nutrivore Score of 180 is impressive. So yeah, given the budget constraints of 4 dinners for a family of 4 for $20 shopping at Dollar Tree, I couldn't have done any better.